Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to review this Yardmax 25-ton log splitter. We bought this a while back. We've used it a little bit, but I thought we'd give a little more use to it today. I got a bunch of logs I got to split. Some of the logs are basically hard black locust, which are like notoriously hard, stringy, and difficult to split. So we're going to try this out on those. I'm going to give you some of my opinions on it. We're not certainly not being paid by Yardmax to do any kind of review or evaluation of their equipment. I just thought it might be helpful for anybody who's kind of in the market for a log splitter. This is a 25-ton machine. Giving a quick walk around. I liked when I did the research into buying it, I liked that it came with these side rails. It's also a horizontal or vertical splitter. I did buy a four-way splitter as sort of an option with it that didn't come directly with it. It comes with a 2-inch ball hitch. It's also got a rotating jack stand for it. You can tow it. The tires are DOT certified. I think it recommends up to 45 miles an hour to tow with it. I haven't had it on the road yet. It's just been purely off-road, but I wouldn't really hesitate to take it on the road. I probably wouldn't exceed the recommended speed for the tires. It comes with a Briggs & Stratton 208cc engine with it. Again, I haven't had any issues with that, although I've only used it for about 2 hours. I did put an hour meter on it so that I can sort of track the hours for service and maintenance. I did use it probably about a year and a half ago, and like an idiot, I didn't drain out the gas, so we'll see if that's turn the varnish or not, or if it's going to run on that. The overall weight of the machine, it's pretty heavy. If you're looking for a lightweight log splitter for 25 ton, I don't think this is it. I did have to put it together. It came in a box when I ordered it for them. I had to put I think I had to put the the pins in, and had to put the base for your logs on it. Other than that, though, it went together pretty simple out of the box when it came. Shipping, I think, was free when I got it. I don't know if they're still doing that now with the way diesel and gas prices are. But my initial use of the machine, I thought it worked really well. The other thing I liked about it is the return speed for when you have to split the log when you want to return it. That's one thing. A lot of these log splitters are super slow, but this one's pretty quick, and you'll see that when we start using it. So my initial impression, and I didn't split a lot with it, was that it was pretty good. And I didn't split any of these black locust logs with it. When I did split it, it was more softer wood. These are really hard. The black locust are real hard wood, and they're real stringy and difficult to split. And I mentioned on one of our videos when we took a tree down that was leaning, that the farmers love these because you could put them in the ground as fence posts, and they just like never rot. 4, 5, 6 inch in diameter logs. You got yourself some great fence posts. But let's get to work. Pretty standard. Turn it to on. I did look in the gas. Like I said, I screwed up and drained it out. It's been more like 3/4 of a tank. This ought to be interesting. Gas is on. Choke is on. There's your throttle right here. Again, there's your gas. Turn your gas on and off. There's your throttle. There's your throttle. And that is your choke. So let's see if she starts. Nice. First pull. Put it through its pace and see how it works. gas is coming back to haunt me. Okay, so I don't know, we've been splitting maybe 15 minutes on the machine, and I mean, you saw the type of wood that we're trying to split. Now I'm going to show you the difference between splitting that locust, which is all stringy and super hard, and I think it's an ash tree, I think, but it's definitely a softer wood. You'll see the difference. Okay, YouTube, so you've seen it pretty much splitting softwood, hardwood horizontally. Now I'll show you how we do it vertically. Okay, now you've seen this split, all the different sizes of the Locust, but now let's see how it does with this one. All right, now that was one big piece of Locust, and that cut right through it. That split it in pretty quick fashion. I think that's I think it says a lot about that little Yardmax. That thing works pretty good. Okay, so I think we put that through its paces. We started off horizontally, we moved it to vertical. We split horizontally, we split vertical. A split, I don't know, that's probably maybe a face cord, maybe. Worked on it for about, I'm gonna say, hour and a half, something like that, 2 hours. Between splitting and doing a little stacking. So I'm really pleased with the way this log splitter works. It has a little harder time with some of the Locusts that were a little larger, 15, 16, 17 inches in diameter. But that's a really hard wood. And it's real stringy. I mean, it split through everything, so I'm pretty pleased with it. I'd probably recommend this to, it's not a commercial machine, so, but for the homeowner, or if the weekend warrior, or if somebody's got a farm and you want to do a little bit of, splitting the trees that fall on the farm that you clean up, I think this thing would do fine, especially for the price.